Dan here from Aryval. I'm on site today at Strathcona-Tweedsmuir School in Okotoks, Alberta at their open house. Let's go check it out.
Today's event was our annual open house. We were expecting more than 250 families, and we've seen close to 70% of those families arrive. The biggest improvement Aryval's brought to our check-in process in our event today is with the arrival of families. The automated QR process gets families in the building quickly. Families are able to come into the school, they're known, they're logged, they're registered as attending the event. No more flip charts of big sheets of paper, and in less than 10 seconds, get families started on their admission experience. Families who aren't registered and maybe need to check in through a manual process also get the care and attention they need so that we can log their attendance and follow up with them once the event's done.
3 years ago, we had more of a manual process of checking in, where we were provided with sheets of our registered guests. We did find that there was a little bit of a backlog.
So we provide a QR code to each family that shows up to the event that they're scanned in to remove that bottleneck effect that happens. And you want to really create that frictionless process to the family, all the way from registration to the event, reminding them about the event, which Aryval does, and actually stepping onto the campus.
The Aryval app streamlined our planning process for open house by really letting us see who's coming to our event and what they're experiencing in terms of the communication leading up to the event.
It allowed for a lot more efficiencies in terms of checking people in and directing them right to where they need to be. The school is all about thinking ahead, being technologically advanced, and it shows with some of these community events.
Having data about who's attending our event and how families are checking in with us is letting us prepare for future events. It's letting us think about how many people we need on site, or perhaps where we can make small improvements to welcome families in or schedule times different for the future. We're working with lots of student volunteers today to lead tours. And because of that, I need to gauge how many volunteers I'm keeping at the event. Because we've had more than 60% yield already in terms of our registered guests attending, I know that it's safe for me to start dismissing some of my volunteers who've completed their tasks.
The post-event dashboard really gives you a good insight of who actually attended to the event. So a lot of these schools really never have the full visibility of how many grade 2 families did we have show up to the event and what was our top acquisition channel driver. But of course our product does way more than that, where we start ingesting their enrollment management data that they could actually see who attended the event and actually applied and enrolled in the institution to really tell them objectively which events they should keep next year, and then being able to see what acquisition channels actually drove applicant and enrolled families.
Aryval is letting us capture information that was previously left to manual records. It's really important in our work as a school to know how to respond to these big events. And doing that in a digital format with live information during the event and great analytics afterwards means that we can really refine our event process to be the best it will be for future years.